So I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter that is question answers of Gandhiji and coffee drinker. First question. How was Gandhiji an excellent nurse? गांधी एक सर्वोत्तम परिचारक कैसे थे? गांधी learned nursing through experience. He had a keen interest in serving the sick, so he had become an excellent nurse. What joke गांधी जी वॉज prevalent in आश्रम? गांधी आश्रम में गांधी जी के बारे में क्या मजाक प्रचलित था? Joke about गांधी जी prevalent in the ashram was that if you wanted to see Gandhi ji every day and talk to him and hear his joke, you had only to be sick and get into bed. Why did Gandhi ji crack jokes with patients? गांधी जी मरीजों के साथ मजाक क्यों करते थे? गांधी जी knew that a patient needed something more than medicine, and that thing was laughter. So he visited the sick every day and never failed to crack a joke or two with the patients. What happened to the young South Indian lad? दक्षिण भारत लड़के को क्या हुआ था? The young South Indian lad went down with dysentery. Why could the young lad not accustom himself to ashram food? लड़का आश्रम के बने भोजन की आदत क्यों नहीं डाल पाया? The young lad could not accustom himself to ashram food because he was a South Indian. He had a great liking of coffee and he was not allowed in ashram. Why did Gandhiji call the young lad an old sinner? गांधी ने लड़के को पुराना पापी क्यों कहा? गांधी called the lad old sinner as he had requested him a cup of coffee, which was not allowed in the ashram. Who prepared coffee for the lad? लड़के के लिए कॉफ़ी किसने बनाई थी? गांधी himself prepared coffee for the lad. Why did Gandhiji prepare the coffee himself? गांधी ने स्वयं कॉफ़ी क्यों बनाई थी? गांधी prepared the coffee himself because his wife Bab was resting at the time and he did not want to trouble her. What did Gandhiji mean when he said, I could not dare to disturb her? गांधी का क्या अर्थ था जब उन्होंने कहा मैं उनके आराम में विघ्न डालने की साहस नहीं किया? Gandhiji meant to say that he did not want to trouble her because he loved and respected Bab very much. What was the boy over him? लड़का भाव विभारी क्यों हो गया? The boy was overwhelmed when he realized that Gandhiji had to work for him at such an odd hours. What do you think coffee was banned in Sabarmati Ashram? तुम ऐसे क्यों सोचते हो कि साबरमती आश्रम में कॉफ़ी प्रतिबंधित थे? The young lad pined for a cup of good coffee. One day he was lying on his back dreaming of it. It makes and thus concluded that the coffee was banned in Sabarmati Ashram. As coffee was banned in ashram, why did Gandhiji serve coffee to the lad? जब आश्रम में कॉफ़ी प्रबंधित थे तो गांधी जी ने नवयुवक को कॉफ़ी क्यों दी? Since Gandhiji promised a lad of cup of coffee, light coffee with a warm toast, which could soothe his stomach, and he serves cold coffee to the lad. Serve coffee to the ड्रॉ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ गांधी जी एज अ नर्स. गांधी जी की प्रक्रिया के रूप में चरित्र चरण कीजिए. गांधी जी वॉज अ फर्स्ट क्लास पर्सन टू सिक. ही लर्न नर्सिंग थ्रू ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ फैक्ट. ऑल सिक पर्सन्स एट Sabarmati Ashram were looked after personally by Gandhiji. He visited the sick every day. He stayed a few minutes at the bed. No day was too busy for Gandhiji to attend to sick people. Gandhiji visited the sick with his never-failing smile and cheering word. Those few minutes were like a tonic to the sick. He saw everything carefully. He never failed to crack one or two jokes with patients. Gandhiji has complete understanding for the patient nature. He behaved accordingly. So he had a kind-hearted and a caring personality. Character sketch of Gandhiji as an easy person to go with. गांधी जी के सरल स्वभाव का चरित्र चरण कीजिए. The ashram of Sabarmati was looking after at Gandhiji. Gandhiji was a first class nurse to the sick. All sick people came directly under his eyes and care. He visited sick every day. There was no days too busy for him to attend the sick person. He spent a few minutes at every bedside. He also always cracked a joke or two with the patients. Gandhiji has traveled throughout India. He knew the food habits of different people living in the different states. He asked the South Indian what he would like to eat. He himself proposed him some good upma or tosai. He promised that late to send him coffee and warm teas, but it was an ultimate untimely hour. He did not disturb Ba. He prepared coffee himself and carried to the lid himself. It shows Gandhiji was an easy person to go with. Describe the feeling of a young boy when he described the feeling of a young boy when he was served coffee by Gandhiji himself. गांधी द्वारा स्वयं कॉफ़ी देने के बाद नवयुवक की भावनाओं का वर्णन कीजिए. The young lad suffering was dysentery, a South Indian. When he recovered, he pined for a cup of good coffee. One day he was lying on his back. He was dreaming of coffee. When Gandhiji entered his room, Gandhiji asked, "What would you like to eat?" He let spoke suddenly without thinking. "Could I had a cup of coffee, please?" Gandhiji said. Would you certainly shall have a cup of coffee, and promise him to send a tray. The lad imagined that the Gandhiji would go to bar and ask for coffee and toast, but it was untimely hour. He had caused Gandhiji too much botheration. Suddenly the lad heard the sound of Gandhiji's sandals. His heart sank in him. The coffee was called off. When Gandhiji gave him coffee, he told him that he made the coffee himself. Gandhiji left the room. The lad enjoyed coffee, but he was over him to think about the botheration Gandhiji has done, though. And that was all about this chapter. Thank you.